Hello everyone, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to install and use the React app from scratch, and I am going to explain you step by step process to run the React app on your system. So follow the video and like and subscribe the channel. So let's go to our development environment, and we will start the developing the application from scratch using the hello world application. So let's go to, so first of all you let me go to the directory here, and I will create a folder here. I will name it the React app, React demo, and I will open this folder and place the I will click on the taskbar, and I will put the command cmd, and it will open our terminal window, and in this we can start our React app. So first of all you need to ensure the Node.js version you have installed, and then we will start the React app. So to check the Node version, we will use the nvm Node version manager. So you can download the nvm here. Using it this we can download the nvm. So I have already installed the nvm, so I will skip that part. So let's go to the terminal and use the nvm list. So you can see I have two versions of the node. One is the 20 versions and other is the 14 version. So we will use the latest version. You can choose any one on your priority. So we will run the first application, hello world. So we will place the first command, that is hello world. So to create the project in the React app, we will place the command that is that we can go to the PowerShell here also. We can place the command create React app, and I will you can put on your command screen create React app and space with React app name React demo, React dash demo. So my application name is React dash demo. So I will hit the enter, and it will create a new application of the React application. and it will take some time. And installing the packages and the dependencies to run the application. It's taking some time, maybe depend on your network. So meanwhile, in the other window we can open the React app in the VS Code we will use for the development. So we by by sitting on the React demo directory, we can go to the taskbar and place the CMD. And to open in the React app in the VS Code, we will put the command code space dot, and this will open the React app in the VS Code. And that here you can see, and we will permission it so that we can run our commands with the admin rights. And here you can see the terminal. We will go to the terminal. Here you can see the terminals also, and we will change our directory to this directory. We will go to this directory react-demo. So we can place the command cd change directory, and we can press the tab and hit the enter. And meanwhile the Angular React app is installing, so it's already done. Okay, here you can see all the dependencies for the development server is installed, and we can start our first application. Okay, and so let's go to, we can close this one, and we can put the commands here. So we can start, we can go to the directory, and we can see the readme file, and here you can see the description to run the app. So we will run this command in our directory npm start. We can place this command and hit the enter, and this will open our React app in the browser, and by that we can start our development. So it's taking some time to start the application at the first time, and in the second time it will load very fastly and use the cache from your system. It will take some time on the first time, and it's downloading the dependencies and other things. And here you can see the application is running, and it has opened automatically in the browser at the port number 3000, that you can see here also. Open http 3000 to view in your browser, and it's taking some time to load in the browser at the first time, so just to wait. And it will show the message compiled successfully, that will indicate that our application is running. And the compiled successfully, you can